In today's video I will show you how to add a system monitor in Home Assistant to track the CPU temperature and free disk space of your system. Also, how to check the Home Assistant database size, how to measure the network bandwidth, and how to make useful automations that will notify you if something goes above certain threshold. Hello, KPeyanski is here. We are using Home Assistant to monitor different sensors and to control many devices. We are constantly adding more and more Home Assistant add-ons, cards, and custom components. All of this is fine, but for sure it can affect the performance and the free disk space of your system. That is why a proper monitoring is a must, and this is exactly what we are going to talk about, starting right now. Open your configuration.yaml file located in config folder of your Home Assistant and paste the following YAML code. You can get it from the video description. With this code I'm creating several sensors from platform system monitor like processor use, disk free space, processor temperature, 2 times, where the second one is using platform command line and this command, which is specially designed for Raspberry Pi. Oh, wait a second, I forgot to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I will save the changes and I'll restart my Home Assistant by going to server controls, check config and restart. After Home Assistant is restarted, I'll edit my dashboard and I'll add a card. I'll select by entity and I'll select every new sensors that I have after changing the configuration.yaml file. After I'm ready, I'll hit continue and add to Lovelace. And here it is. This is my new card with all of the sensors that I wanted. I will probably remove the second CPU temperature later. Let's create a Home Assistant automation that will monitor the CPU temperature. I'll click on Configuration, Automation, Add Automation, and I'll skip this dialog. I'll name my automation somehow, it doesn't matter, like for example, notify when CPU is hot or something. As a trigger, I'll select numeric state. The entity will be my processor temperature above 58 degrees. This will be the trigger. For the action, I'll select call service and the service will be persistent notification create. The service data will be message colon and some text like CPU is above 58 degrees Celsius. Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's continue. I think I'm ready and I'll save the changes. I'll go back. And when this sensor, the processor temperature sensor, goes above 58 degrees, I'll receive a persistent notification message. And I have it. It's above 58 degrees finally, and I have the notification. CPU is above 58 degrees. Very good. By default, the Home Assistant database is located in a file. This is how you can make a sensor to monitor the database size. I will show you where the Home Assistant database file is. It's located in config folder again, so I have to add this config folder in my allow list external folders. Like that, you can get this YAML code from the video description. And I'll create another sensor just like that. I'll remove this second sensor section because it has to be only one. And I'll save the changes. Now I will have to reboot my Home Assistant again to get the new sensor. Home Assistant has started, so I can edit my card with the other sensors that I already have. I'll go down and I'll search for size. Here it is, Home Assistant _ v2.db sensor. I'll select it and I'll click Save. And now I can monitor the Home Assistant DB size.
How to make a Home Assistant database size automation.
I'll again go to Configuration, Automations, Add Automation, and I'll again skip this. I'll name my new automation, notify if Home Assistant DB gets bigger or something, it doesn't matter. The trigger will be numeric state again, but the entity will be different. The new sensor for the file size that we have, called homeAssistant_v2.db. I'll select it. As attribute, I'll select bytes. And I'll have to enter some thresholds in bytes. Currently, the file size is around 232 megabytes. I'll have to convert this in bytes. Something like that. As action, I'll use again call service persistent notification create. The service data will be message colon home assistant db is above 232 megabytes or something. I will save the changes. And exactly as previous automation, I should receive notification here when the size gets above this threshold. That's it, nothing complicated. And because the current database size is above the threshold that I set in the automation, as you can see here, I'll have to run the automation manually. Run actions, and here it is. I got the notifications and you got the idea. You just have to customize it for you. Starting from Home Assistant release 2021.5.0, you can check how much time every integration is taking during the Home Assistant startup. Here is where you can check this. Go to configuration and scroll down until you see info. Click on it, scroll down again and you see the setup time for every integrations. For example, Frigate is above 10 seconds, Home Assistant Supervise is above 5 seconds, and so on and so forth. We can use the speedtest.net integration for Home Assistant to measure the network bandwidth performance. Here is how. Go to Configuration, Integrations, Add Integration, and I'll search for speedtest.net. Here it is. Submit, and I have to wait a bit. I'll just click Finish. And this is the speed test integrations, and I have 3 entities. I'll click on them and I have download, ping and upload entities. When I click on download, for example, and then on this icon, I can see the download speed of my internet provider. Same is valid for the upload. In my case, upload is faster than download, and ping is also visible. Now I can create an automation that will send messages to my internet provider if my download speed goes below some threshold, for example. With that being said, stay safe and don't forget, home smart but not hard. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.